Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you clear cache in TikTok. To clear cache in TikTok, you need to follow the steps. First thing first, open the TikTok app and log into your account. After you're logged into your TikTok account, click on the profile and it shows at the bottom right corner of your screen. And tap the menu bar from the top of the page, go to settings and privacy from the list. As you go to settings and privacy from the list, you want to go ahead and scroll down. Under cache and cellular, you could find free of space. Click that out. Click on clear cache. Click the clear button. You could go ahead and clear your download as well, and then the draft as well. Now you've done this, you've successfully cleared cache in TikTok. And next, you could also do the steps while you've done this. You want to open up settings on your device, locate apps from the list, click on TikTok, and go to storage and cache. So here you want to click on clear cache, and this way as well you'll be able to clear cache in TikTok. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.